This is a blizzard warning from the National
Uno
Weather
momento.
Service. For the following, in Colorado, Castle Rock, blizzard warning in effect until 3 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulation 3 to 6 inches.
Blizzard warning.
Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Castle Rock, Kiowa, and the Palmer Divide. When? Until 3 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Heavy snow and blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility to 1/4 mile or less. The worst conditions will be now through midnight. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for Colorado can be obtained by calling 511 or by going to www.cotrip.org. Here is the forecast.
Oh my god.